When we last left off, we were still having some trouble with the collider not interacting with the liquid correctly. If you're having trouble with collision detection, there are a few things you could try to solve the problem. One thing we can try is to increase the thickness of the collider. Click on the collider, and under the Bifrost tab, twirl down the arrows if they aren't already open. Change the collision thickness to 1.5. Rewind and play the simulation again. That looks better. Now let's add the sphere as another collider. Click the sphere, Shift-click Bifrost 1, then click Bifrost Add Collider. Rewind and play again and let Bifrost calculate the simulation. Let's decrease the master voxel size to make the simulation more detailed. Click on the Bifrost 1 node, and under the Bifrost Liquid Container 1 tab, change master voxel size to 0.3. Rewind and play the simulation again. When I first started putting together the simulation, I was leaking particles from the bottom of the container. It doesn't seem to be happening this time, but I'll show you how to add a kill plane to the simulation for situations where it would be necessary to eliminate stray particles. Let's add a kill plane that will eliminate any particles that fall below the base of the container. Click the Bifrost 1 node in the outliner, then click Bifrost Add Kill Plane. You'll see that the kill plane is automatically placed at the 0x position, parallel to the x-axis. It doesn't matter what size the kill plane is in the viewport, it will still kill any particles that fall below it. Rewind and calculate the simulation again. Now, any particles that escape from the bottom of the container would be eliminated from the simulation. Let's look at the particles again. See how those particles are turning white as they shoot up? If you look under the Bifrost Shape 1 tab, under the Color Channel Remap, you'll see how those particles are colored. The default color is velocity. The particles with higher velocity are colored white. The default color channel max is set a little high though, so let's decrease it to 1. Now, as you scrub through the timeline, you could see more detail about the velocity of the particles in the simulation.